A luxury modern kitchen is not just about expensive materials or large spaces. It's about creating an environment that feels calm, elegant, and timeless every single day. Today, kitchens are no longer just functional spaces. They have become the heart of the home, where style, comfort, and daily life come together. And the most beautiful kitchens in the world follow a few powerful design principles that never go out of style. One of the biggest secrets of luxury modern kitchens is simplicity. Timeless design always feels effortless. Instead of too many cabinets, colors, and details, luxury kitchens focus on clean lines and visual clarity. Flat front cabinetry, hidden handles, and smooth surfaces create a calm and refined look. This minimal approach allows the materials and textures to stand out, which instantly makes the space feel more expensive. Another key element is the color palette. Timeless kitchens often use neutral tones. Soft whites, warm beiges, elegant grays, and natural wood finishes create harmony and warmth. These colors reflect light beautifully and make the space feel open and welcoming. They also age gracefully, which means your kitchen will still look modern years from now. Lighting is one of the most powerful tools in luxury kitchen design. Instead of relying on a single ceiling light, designers layer lighting carefully. Pendant lights above the island, under cabinet lighting, and soft ambient glow create depth and atmosphere. This combination transforms the kitchen from a simple workspace into a sophisticated living space. Materials also define the quality of a luxury kitchen. Natural stone countertops, marble backsplashes, and textured wood bring richness and depth. Even if you're working with a budget, focusing on one or two high-quality materials can elevate the entire design. Another timeless feature is open space and flow. A well-designed kitchen feels easy to move in. Clear pathways, smart layouts, and thoughtful organization make everyday tasks more enjoyable. This is why kitchen islands are so popular in modern homes. They provide additional workspace, storage, and social interaction. They also act as a visual centerpiece, making the space feel more luxurious. Storage plays a huge role in maintaining a timeless look. Clutter is the enemy of elegance. Hidden storage, built-in appliances, and smart organization keep surfaces clean and calm. When everything has a place, the kitchen instantly feels more refined and relaxing. Another important principle is balance between warmth and modernity. Many people think modern means cold or sterile, but the most successful kitchens combine sleek design with natural textures. Wood cabinets, warm lighting, and soft finishes create a welcoming atmosphere while still looking contemporary. Timeless kitchens also avoid chasing trends. Bold colors and dramatic styles may look exciting for a short time, but they often become outdated quickly. Instead, designers focus on classic proportions, neutral palettes, and high-quality craftsmanship. Small details also matter. Elegant hardware, subtle textures, and carefully chosen fixtures add personality without overwhelming the space. Even simple touches like fresh greenery, ceramics, or natural fabrics can make a modern kitchen feel alive and personal. Technology is another part of modern luxury. Smart appliances, hidden charging areas, and efficient layouts make daily routines easier. But in timeless design, technology is always integrated quietly. It supports the lifestyle without becoming the main focus. Another secret is contrast. Mixing light and dark elements creates visual interest and depth. For example, a white kitchen with a darker island or natural wood accents feels balanced and sophisticated. Windows and natural light are also essential. Large windows, open views, and reflective surfaces make the kitchen feel larger and more